Hey YouTube, it's Alicia, and I'm doing art pieces, artwork for the front, and I'll show you in a minute what you would all need to get this beautiful silver grayish color. So give me 1 minute and I'll show you. It's better to have custom art than buying artwork. So what you'll need is an art canvas of your choice. You'll need the Apple Barrel Pewter Gray. Let me show you. You'll need this color, just a little bit, but you're gonna mostly need the Emeralds Folk Art Trust Quality Emeralds Sterling Silver 2-liter paint. Then you will also need the Folk Art Metallic Sterling Silver paint, and you will need the white. But you're going to need mostly this and both of these. But I already had this one, so I add this just for a little bit of contrast. So that's that. So let me finish out, and I'll be through with this, and you're going to see what I'm doing for today. And before I finish out, alrighty, let me go run and get the other paint before I add my glitter. Now, you can have either one, and these are both by the Folk Art. You can do the Folk Art Trusted Extreme Glitter Hologram in white, or in silver. So what I'm going to do, I am going to be adding the silver first. And then we're going to add the white just to make it a little bold. All right. All right. That was the silver. Go, and we're going to add the white. And we're just going to pull. I am going to be also doing a video of what I think needs to happen for Love and Hip Hop for the ninth season. All right, we are through with that part. Now we're finna add the glitter. You can add any glitter of your choice. Okay, so this is the Stila Jumbo Glitter Crystal Quality. That's this one. Then you have the Extra Fine Glitter Crystal Diamond. And then you also have the silver. So we're going to start off with the silver. Okay. Then we're going to put the refine. So we're going to be using the top from the silver because the other one won't open. Okay. Now we're going to be using the jumbos. And there you go. Don't have many of this much left, but that's all you need to do. So what I'm going to do, I am going to allow that to dry. And then tomorrow, I am going to show you the finished product. But yes. But when I seal the glitter tomorrow, we're going to be using this. It's the new product I found in Walmart. But yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed this. Until then, don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.